video, we will deepen the role of digital technologies in the transition from linear to circular economy. In particular, we will first present an up-to-date definition of circular economy, highlighting the role of digital technologies in the transition towards circular economy. Secondly, we will deepen the digital technology concept and its relationship with circular economy. Circular economy has gained momentum as one of the hot topics in the managerial literature, where it has been put aside the debate on environmental sustainability, attracting the interest of researchers and practitioners. The debate on circular economy flourished in different domains, including strategic management, operations management, and technology management. A particular emphasis in the management debate has been put in identifying potential enablers of the transition towards circular economy. For instance, a recent article updated the definition of circular economy, highlighting three main enablers of the transition towards circularity: collaborations among the actors involved in the business ecosystem, technological innovations, capabilities. We already described the role of collaborations in enabling circular ecosystem in one of the previous videos. Today, we will tackle the role of digital technologies as circular economy enablers. So let's start with an introduction of the concept of digital technologies. Digital technologies are usually recognized as the base ground of the Industry 4.0 paradigm, namely the paradigm based on the integration of digital technologies in companies. As such, digital technologies enable the transition from the traditional factory to the smart factory, enhance productivity and optimization of the entire supply chain, and enable innovative business models. Hence, the usage of digital technologies supports radical changes not only in the production process inside a single company, but also in the interactions among companies, namely in the supply chain and in the consumption by the end users. However, the adoption and use of digital technologies is not sufficient to turn a linear company into a circular company. Indeed, the sole adoption and use of digital technologies leads companies towards smart approaches, such as smart manufacturing, smart supply chain management, etc., which are not per se circular approaches. In order to shift from a linear to a circular approach, many other factors, other than digital technologies implementations, have to be considered and applied. Endogenous factors, such as managerial commitment, managerial practices, and circular business model, and exogenous factors, such as contextual factors like regulatory framework. Therefore, the adoption and usage of digital technologies is an enabling necessary condition, but it is not per se a sufficient condition for the transition towards circular economy. Many different digital technologies have a role in enabling circular economy. For instance, 3D printing, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things. Digital technologies have an enabling role in the transition to circular economy, not only at micro but also at meso level. We will consider the enabling role of digital technology firstly at micro level and secondly at meso level. At micro level, digital technologies could enable new, innovative circular practices as follows. Digital technologies facilitate reuse by monitoring the use and condition of products. Digital technologies could reduce remanufacturing cost and waste and increase customer satisfaction. Digital technologies enable management and assessment of real-time information on waste recycling practices. Besides, digital technologies could engage both employees and end users. Employees with innovative training practices and users by empowering responsible and more sustainable consumption habits, through sharing with them the collected and analyzed data. Moreover, digital technologies could engage both producers and consumers to reach the same goal toward environmental sustainability, for instance, by using digital technologies to develop incentive mechanisms able to make active return approaches attractive for customers. At meso level, digital technologies are considered an enabling driver of circular ecosystems. Digital technologies are an important level to optimize resource flow among the whole ecosystem, considering not only forward flows, but also reverse flows. Smooth not only physical flow, but also information flows and monetary flows, matching all the different actors belonging to the whole ecosystem. In particular, by easing physical, information and monetary flows, digital technologies could also favor the scalability of circular ecosystem, which could, for instance, more easily cope with increasing demand and expand in different geographical areas. Besides, the adoption of new digital technologies could also affect the configuration of the ecosystem in the transition from linear to circular economy, namely by changing the type and number of actors involved in the ecosystem itself. To conclude, we recap the main concepts of today's lecture: the concept of digital technologies and Industry 4.0, the adoption and usage of digital technologies as an enabling necessary condition for the transition towards circular economy, the role of digital technologies as circular economy enablers, both at micro and meso level.